Hey girl, hey! This is Ladybug checking in with Yarn Movement. Just wanted to check in really quick. I received my Wine Safari tasting kit from Wachira Wines. Look at these bottles, they're so beautiful. So Wachira Wines is our highlighted company for this month's Sip and Stitch. Oh, look at this bottle. We have a Chardonnay, we have a Rosé in this box, we have a cab here, and also we're going to get to my favorite on the end, which is the Muscat. But if you have not already signed up for this month's Sip and Stitch, it's tomorrow, Sunday, last Sunday of every month. Please go ahead and sign up. Join us for free to sip. You know, there's an additional cost, and we'll be sure to send you your kit too. Ladybug signing out.